Managing domains and subdomains. Your domain name is like your website's address, it tells visitors where to find you. But what if you need to create different sections of your website, set up an alternative version of your domain, or redirect users to another page? That's where subdomains, park domains, and domain redirects come into play. A subdomain is a subsection of your main website that acts as an independent site under the same domain name. Instead of purchasing a separate domain, you can use subdomains to organize different parts of your website. For example, imagine you run a website called mybusiness.com, and you want to add a blog. Instead of placing it at mybusiness.com/blog, you could create a subdomain like blog.mybusiness.com for publishing articles and news, store.mybusiness.com for an e-commerce section, and support.mybusiness.com for customer service. How to add a subdomain in cPanel. Log into cPanel and navigate to the Domains section. Click on Subdomains. Enter the desired name and choose the main domain it belongs to. Set the document root, which is the folder where the subdomains files will be stored. Click Create, and your subdomain is ready to use. Why use subdomains? It organizes different sections of your website separately. It improves SEO by structuring content in a user-friendly way. It makes large websites easier to manage by breaking them into smaller parts. Adding park domains, alias domains. A park domain, also known as an alias domain, is a domain name that points to your main website. It's useful when you want multiple domain names to lead to the same site. For example, you own mybusiness.com, but you also purchase mybusiness.net and mybusiness.org. Instead of creating separate websites, you can park these domains so they all display the same content as mybusiness.com. How to add a park domain in cPanel. 1. Log into cPanel and navigate to the Domains section. 2. Click on Aliases, or Park Domains, depending on your cPanel version. 3. Enter the domain name you want to park. 4. Click Add Domain, and it will now direct visitors to your main website. Why use park domains? Prevent competitors from using similar domain names. Ensure visitors find your site, even if they type in a different domain extension, e.g., .com or .net. Strengthen your brand identity by securing multiple domain variations. Setting up domain redirects. A domain redirect automatically sends visitors from one URL to another. This is useful when you've changed your domain, want to consolidate traffic, or need to redirect old URLs to updated pages. For example, if you rebrand from oldwebsite.com to newwebsite.com, you can set up a redirect so visitors who go to oldwebsite.com are sent to newwebsite.com automatically. If you move a webpage from mybusiness.com/services to mybusiness.com/our-services, you can create a redirect so users who access the old link still find the correct page. Types of redirects. -301 redirect, permanent. Used when a website or webpage has permanently moved. Best for SEO. 302 redirect, temporary. Used when a site or page is temporarily under maintenance. How to set up a redirect in cPanel. 1. Log into cPanel and go to the Domains section. 2. Click on Redirects. 3. Choose the type of redirect, 301 or 302. 4. Enter the old URL, the one visitors enter. 5. Enter the new URL, where visitors should be sent. 6. Click Add, and your redirect is active. Using domain redirects ensures that users always land on the correct page, even if URLs change. It improves SEO by preventing broken links and streamlines traffic when consolidating multiple domains. By understanding subdomains, park domains, and redirects, you now have greater control over your website structure and accessibility. Whether you're organizing content, securing additional domain names, or guiding visitors to the right place, these tools enhance user experience and boost SEO rankings.